day, and we are on our way to run some errands. We have a nail in our tire that we need to go change. It's been in there for like a week. It hasn't punctured our tire, like it hasn't caused it to go flat at least. So I need to try to go see if they can take it out and patch it up, because I'm scared that if I pull it, then it will definitely go flat. I have to go get some medication at Walmart while they fix the tire. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we have more than an hour wait, so let's get some coffee and a donut.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget.
We have made it back home, you guys, and we picked up my son, dropped him off at tutoring, and then we went to Publix because today is Friday and it is pizza night. And I wanted to get a special dough to be able to make like snowman and Christmas tree pizzas. So I got the flat kind, so I'll be able to cut it, hopefully easily, and make some cool pizzas. But for now, we are going to go feed the fishies some bread.
Wonder what this year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him. No. Look at the little dog. Been thinking about you and me. Another kind of chemistry.
Okay, we tried to go to Aldi's and get some basil. They do not have any basil, apparently. They have every other plant in the world, herb, except basil. So what we did is we got some tomatoes and a little bit of baby spinach, plus we have cheese, mozzarella, as well as cheddar and sauce. That should work, right?
kinda cold, but you know you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brightening up my day. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree.
Alright, you guys, this completes this video. We had a nice Friday night pizza party with a little bit of Polar Express. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time.